Hi, good evening, everyone. Hi, everyone. Good evening. How is everyone doing? Good evening, Priyadarshini. Good morning, Juglesh. Good morning, Priya. Good evening, Minakshi. So, how is the week going so far for everyone? So, we are already in mid of the week, that is Wednesday. Good evening, Swapna. Good evening, Gitika. All right, good to see you everyone here in Reskill Nation Heart to Heart Talk. Good evening, Ashok. Good evening, Hari. I hope you all are doing great and having a wonderful day already. So, I'm Swagatika and welcome to Reskill Nation Heart to Heart Talk initiative. We will just start in a couple of seconds. Lot of people joining us. Good evening, Minati, Priyanka, Vishali. All right, guys. So let's start today's session. It's wonderful to have you all here in this heart-to-heart conversation. So in this Reskill Nation initiative, we will be sharing that how Reskill Nation actually transformed our life specifically for women, because we as a woman, we come from various backgrounds. Some are young working girls, working mom, homemakers. So we will be sharing that how the series of Reskill Nation has actually transformed our life, right? So first I will start with little background about myself, then how I got into Reskill Nation, and I will be mainly talking that how through the Reskill Nation I was able to become influence in my circle through social media, right? So to give a little bit background about myself, I'm Swagatika. I work in IT profession and I am from Bangalore, working here since 6 years. I have close to 6 years of experience. So since I was a kid, I was already, very inclined towards activities apart from the normal curriculum, like what we say extracurricular activities. And that's how I started developing some of the like talents, and I was always fascinated towards it and wanted to pursue some of them. And when I grew older, I finished my schooling, and then my parents told me that those are something which you can do it as a hobby, but you need to do something for your job, or you need to do some course or something like that. And that's where I ended up doing engineering in computer science. After that I got placed, and I'm here in like Bangalore, working in IT for close to 6 years now. So when I was growing, I was always taking part in all the activities, and I really enjoyed doing it. So as my career ladder grew, I was in my heart. It was something that why I can't convert my hobby or my talent into a passion and then slowly into profession. I mean, that is something was always there into my heart, that how I can utilize the skills I already have, or the hobbies what we say. And I'm sure many of you would have those hobbies inside you, be it cooking, or you can be good into singing, dancing. So even I had inclination towards those activities, and I was looking that what I can do to increase that, or maybe get some income out of it, or ultimately utilize that. So then we all came into the era of social media. So when I came to Mangalore, I saw many people utilizing social media and growing their talent, and some of them even earn some income out of their talent. So even I wanted to do something, but the challenge was I was lacking the right skill which is needed to run these things in social media, which I was not getting time. I tried to enroll in some of the courses, but I couldn't find that time or interest towards that. But it did happen that few years back, I was looking for various courses, and guess what? Few months back, I got to know about the Reskill Nation initiative, where some high value skills were taught. Yes, you heard it right. So when I was looking for it, and I was very, very fortunate that I came to know about the series of training. So how it changed me, I will share a little bit that earlier I started doing some blogging or utilizing some of the social media platform, but the issue was I was not consistent. I didn't knew the exact thing that how I can reach to many people, or how I can monetize it, or how I can earn income out of it. So I was feeling very clueless. But once I took this training, I really learned some high value skills, and it has really helped me. So people who have some talent, and specifically young girls, they wish to do something, but they have that baggage in their heart that whether we will be good to do it in the social media or not, whether we have the right skill or right way of doing those things into the social media, right? We all come across such situations, and then we take a back seat, and then again when we hit reality, we ask ourselves that why we can't do it if so many people are able to do it. So that's where the Reskill Nation helped me a lot. So the trainings part are designed in such a way where it taught me that how well a social media can be used, how I can showcase my talent in social media. So basically, when we have social media in our hand, either we can go wrong or we can do right, or we need that right kind of skills which is needed. So here is message to everybody that we can take this training course free of cost by Reskill Nation. And guess what? I could do it in with the comfort at my home, and I was able to learn those things, and I slowly started implementing them, and to my surprise, and I was really surprised to see the difference, that how my social media reaches more, and how like people are reaching out to me, whatever talents or skill I'm showcasing in the social media. And that's where it changed my life. Like now I am so confident, and more than that, I'm happy that I could get that right guidance. And I'm sure many of you would be looking for some kind of guidance, because I know we as women, we have hidden talent, we have lot of talent, but the thing is that we don't get that right direction or right guidance, that how we can utilize that. Right? I can see many of you commenting that's really true. Definitely. So we get clueless at some point of time that how do we do that? Because as I said, I did started doing on my own, but I didn't knew. But now guess what? With these trainings, my social media reach is really more. I know how my talent can give me some earnings. How about that? I could know that utilizing good skills like creating good contents, creating good quality images, all those things were covered in this training. And to my surprise, I was very happy to see those changes in my life. Right, I was really fortunate that this Reskill Nation training helped me a lot in that area which I was lacking, where I was I wasn't having proper direction that what to be done, or what are the right ways to run a social media to get good reach or good influence through that, and now I'm successfully able to utilize those high value skill which I was not able to get earlier. I had no clue, and I'm very happy to get this Reskill Nation initiative. So I urge all of you, specifically women out there, that you can also sign up in our page and you can get those high value training being at home, because there are many young mom who wish to do something still being at home managing their kids. So that's where these trainings will really help you to find your identity. So even I was having job, but more than that I was looking for some identity, for some appreciation of my talent, because if we have something, we need certain kind of appreciation, and that we could get through social media, because we can reach to so many people. And that's where I'm really happy that since so many years it was there in my heart to do something, or to showcase my talent, and that's where this skills really helped me to do that. Right? I hope I can give you I was able to give you the right message, that how this skills are need of the hour, and it can help you to transform, because all of you have some hidden talent, or we call it as hobby. Make it a passion, pursue it rather, and utilize this trainings. Right? So that's what I wanted to share today. So I hope you get those nuggets and able to get inspired by my story. So I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day ahead. All right. Signing off, Swagatika.